My name's Rhiannon and I'm on my 7th month of working with Doocey's on my apprenticeship. I decided to take up the apprenticeship with Doocey because I was looking into construction apprenticeships with Sandwell. Doocey's reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to come onto the apprenticeship with them, which I said yes, because it was their 3-week apprenticeship where they gave us a Cat and Jenny course, our health and safety, like the first aid, and just an overall of what Doocey's was like. The college work, as well as doing on the job and being able to work on site, it gives you like a better rounded knowledge and like education of how to work on a site, because you get the technical coursework in college of how to deal with all the health and safety laws and legislations, as well as being able to go out on site and then properly show that working that you've been doing in college. The colleagues at work, such as like your mentors who help you and train you up to be able to do your skills on site, they've been really supportive whilst on site with like explaining the works to you if like you don't really have any idea because it's all new, running you through it, making sure you can do it confidently before like being able to do it independent. It's been really fun, honestly. I've enjoyed every minute of it. It's always something new. The day's never going to be the same, like from one to the next. You're always experiencing and learning something new wherever you may be. Honestly, go for an apprenticeship. It's one of the best experiences you can have, as well as being able to earn alongside working, as well as meet new people on the job. It's just an overall great experience to have.